Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you this new discovery called the AI Code Translator. Okay, so the AI Code Translator translates one programming language to another programming language. So for instance, you have a source code in JavaScript. You can translate from JavaScript to Python, and when you run it, it will give you the same result. So when you have a code in SQL and you translate it to Python, it will give you the same source code. When you run it, you get the same result. When you have a code in Python and you translate it to C#, C++, it will give you the same result. So believe me, this platform is very powerful. It is very powerful. And I'm really excited to share with you, and I believe it will be helpful for you too. So if you like this video, please kindly comment in the comment section and also like it. And if you're a new subscriber, please kindly click on the subscribe button for you to get more relevant content from this comments class. Okay, so let me go straight to the tutorials. So the link will be shared in the description section as usual. And when you visit this website, we have the OpenAI key. I'll show you, don't worry, I'll show you how to generate your OpenAI API key. And you have the GPT 3.5 version and also the 4 version. So we'll be using the 3.5 and we have the translate. Okay, so we have the input and also the output. So the input is where you put in your source code, and the output is where you select your program language you want to translate it to. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of programming languages. We have the assembly language, we have the bash, we have the C#, we have the C++, we have the CSS, we have the Go, JavaScript, we have the Java, a lot. We have the Python, R. Okay, so let me select the JavaScript. Okay, so let me try one code. Okay, I want to print out hello world, so console.log into bracket hello world. Okay, so this code is in JavaScript, and now we want to translate it to Python because the syntax in JavaScript is totally different in Python. Okay, so let's click on the translate. Bingo. So as you can see, you need to input your API key there. Okay, so let me show you. Let's open another tab. Let's go to Google and let's search for OpenAI API key. Okay, so that is the first link. So when you click on the first link, it will take you where you can generate your API key. Okay, so let me generate one. Okay, so let's create. So as you can see, this is the generated API key. Let me copy it down. It's safe. So let me paste it here. Bingo. Let me translate it. Wow. So you see, it's very simple, and believe me, you know worry at all. If you have a source code in Python, which is maybe calculator or any work, any project, and now you want to translate from the Python to JavaScript, you just come here. Don't worry your head to go and learn and program. Just come here to translate it for you. That is why they built this AI for us to make work sufficient and also effective. Okay, so we've been able to translate the JavaScript to Python. Okay, let me select another language and see, maybe PHP. So you see, I remember PHP echo. Echo is to display. Okay. And let me see. Okay, let me see HTML. Okay, so the tag, we have the P. The P is a tag. So you open the tag and you put in the sentence. Okay, let me try C#. Okay, so C# is almost like the JavaScript. Let me try the assembly language. I've not seen how it works. Hey! Okay, so you can see. So I think the assembly language is the low-level programming language. So this one talks to the motherboard in 0 and 1s. So as you can see. So when I was in college, I learned the assembly language was the first programming language which communicated straight to the motherboard. That is the 0 and 1s. Okay, interesting. Which language again? Okay, so let me go to Google and search maybe a sample of JavaScript code, and let's see. Let's try and translate it. JavaScript code. Let me see this one. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, so this JavaScript example is easy to code. JavaScript. Okay. Honestly, I don't understand this code. I don't understand. What I'm saying is script type. So let me just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and let me change it to Python, because I use Python often for machine learning. Let me change it and see. Okay, let me translate it. Okay, so I think it's to print out. Yeah, so it's to print out. So when you run this Python code, it will print it out. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so this alert. Okay, I think the alert is a pop-up. A pop-up. Okay, you can try it. It can solve complex problems. Don't worry, because of the sake of this tutorials, that's why I'm using simple ones. And if you have any challenge, please kindly comment in the comment section. I'll help you out. Because of this tutorial, that's why I'm not going deep into complex codes. Okay. Let's copy this code. This one, I don't know the meaning of this code, but let me translate it and see. Okay, so it's an array. So as you can see, just some seconds it to translate it. So when we go back to the code, okay, so now the holder now the holder is an array that holds your arguments. Okay, so the holder is the same as identifier. Okay, so let me change to SQL my field. Let me see, select hash, that meaning all from maybe employees. I think maybe I'll get the row here. Hey, wow. Okay, okay, okay. So as you can see, the AI code translated an SQL code or syntax into Python. Wow, it's really impressive. Let me try R. Wow. Believe me or not, this is really powerful. This is really powerful. This is really powerful. If you have any opinion or any suggestion, please comment in the comment section and I'll attend to you so that we'll work it out. And any tutorials which you want us to do for our viewers, you can also comment it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can thank me later, but please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you in the next video. Peace.